Namaste dear students, welcome to the mathematics class of 10th standard. We are dealing with chapter 2, that is triangles, and exercise 2.3. Okay, let us proceed with the 8th problem. So the problem is E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersects CD at F. Show that triangle ABE is similar to CFB. So let us draw a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram and side AD must be produced up to E. Then join EB such that it will intersect CD at F. Now we need to prove triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. These two triangles we need to prove they are similar. So first let us draw a parallelogram ABCD, produce AD up to E, join EB intersecting DC at F. Okay. So now first let us consider ABCD parallelogram. In ABCD parallelogram, angle A will be equal to angle C because they are opposite sides of a parallelogram. So in parallelogram ABCD, angle A equal to angle C, opposite angles are equal. Now let us take in triangle ABE and triangle CFB. So already in these two triangles, angle A equal to angle C as per equation 1. Then we have CFB, this angle CFB will be equal to angle FBA because they are alternate interior angles because AB is parallel to CD and EB is the transversal. So those two angles are equal. So we got two angles equal now. Therefore we got now two angles are equal. These two angles are equal. So by AA criterion we can prove triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB, hence proved. Now let us read the 9th problem. In the given figure, triangle ABC and AMP are two right angle triangles. ABC and AMP are two right angle triangles, right angled at B and M respectively. Prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Okay. So first let us consider the first problem there. So in triangle ABC and in triangle AMP you can see that angle M equal to angle B is 90 degree and angle A is common for both the triangles. So we got two angles are equal. Therefore by AA criterion we can prove that those two are similar. So by AA criterion we can prove two triangles are equal. So by AA criterion triangle ABC similar to triangle AMP. Let us take this as 1. Now second one we need to prove that CA by PA is equal to BC by MP. Okay. Since these two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides also will be in the ratio. Therefore by 1 triangle ABC similar to triangle AMP. Therefore CA by PA is equal to BC by MP because corresponding sides of similar triangles are equal. Okay, hence proved. Now let us see the 10th problem. CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and EGF such that, so they are the bisectors of this angle ACB and EGF such that D and H lie on the sides AB and H lies on the sides FE respectively. In triangle ABC, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, we should prove CD upon CD upon GH is equal to AC upon FG. Okay, so first let us take given triangle ABC similar to triangle FEG. So triangle ABC similar to triangle FEG means corresponding angles will be equal. Therefore angle BAC will be equal to angle EFG. These two angles will be equal. These two angles will be equal. So or I can say angle DAC is equal to angle HFG. And angle ACB will be equal to angle FGE. So half of ACB is equal to half of angle FGE. So half of that angle will become ACD FGH. So these two angles became equal. So by AA criterion I can write triangle ADC is similar to triangle FHG. Okay. So triangle ABC similar to triangle FEG. So corresponding angles will be equal. ABC will be equal to FEG. That means ADC will be equal to FHG. Also angle ACB is equal to angle FGE here. So half of those if I take, that is equal to ACD and FGH. That means two angles equal I got. So by AA criterion I can prove triangle ADC is similar to triangle FHG. So therefore the corresponding sides also will be equal. CD by GH will be equal to AC by FG, because corresponding sides will be equal. Now in the second case we should prove triangle DCB similar to triangle HGF. DCB HGF. So already given triangle ABC similar to triangle FEG. So therefore angle ABC is equal to angle FEG we know. So therefore DBC will be equal to HEG. DBC will be equal to HEG. Then angle ACB equal to angle FGE given. So half of angle ACB equal to half of angle FGE. So half of that angle will be ACD and FGH. Okay, so that is half of that angle will be DCB HGE. So because we need to prove these two triangles are equal, we will take this part of the triangle equal, because half of ACB, that is DCB, half of FGE, that is HGE. Okay, so these two triangles will be similar now. These two triangles. Okay, therefore by 1 and 2 we can prove by AA criterion triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGF. Similarly we can prove the third point also, that is triangle DCA similar to triangle HGF. So triangle DCA HGF. Similarly we can prove. Already given ABC similar to triangle FEG. So angle BAC is equal to angle EFG, corresponding angles of a similar triangle. Therefore that is, or DAC is equal to HFG. Similarly angle ACB is half of angle ACB is equal to half of angle FGE. So half of that will be angle ACD and equal to angle FGH. So again you got these two are equal. These two are equal. So by AA criterion you can prove triangle DCA equal to triangle HGF. Okay, so we can write here, given triangle ACB equal to triangle FEG. Therefore angle BAC equal to angle EFG, because corresponding angles of similar triangles. Or BAC, I can write it as angle DAC equal to angle HFG. Now angle ACB equal to angle FGE. So half of angle ACB is equal to half of angle FGE, which is nothing but, or angle ACD is equal to angle FGH. So take DAC, this as 1, this as 1, and this as 2. Okay, so again by AA criterion, two angles are equally half-proved. So therefore triangle DCA will be similar to triangle HGF, hence proved. Now let us solve the 11th problem. In the given figure, E is a point on side CB. So E is a point on side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC. ABC is an isosceles triangle, therefore AB equal to AC. If AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC, prove that ABD, this triangle, is similar to triangle EFC. ABD similar to EFC. So first let us take given triangle ABC is isosceles. Therefore AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. Therefore angle AB equal to AC, angle ABC will be equal to angle ACB. Angle ABC equal to angle ACB, because they are angles of equal sides. And AD perpendicular to BC and EF perpendicular to AC. Okay, so now in triangle ABD and triangle EFC, so already we know angle ABD is equal to angle ECF. Okay, by this one, by one, and also angle EFC is equal to angle ADB equal to 90 degree, that is given. So we got two angles equal. Therefore by AA criterion, triangle ABD similar to triangle EFC, hence proved.